Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla ubalong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP uba AL-hek ula Kyntu ya ke Sorkar bakadai bandon kasuk kesan ha ke Jylla. Kene ke jingkren kalami hadian ke jingmi bun ki jing jia sya thang ki jing don jing ha ke nong ba. Iba hek ilaong badon kam ban Pyntikna bandon kasuk kesan ha ke Jylla khnang bakanom kta ya ke yok ke kot bat ila benrap bak Meghalaya ka Shania ha ka kam jungok kai bat lada don ke jing thut ha ka shong suk shong shngan kan kta ya ki bre ki bakwa ban wan jungok kai ya ka Meghalaya. Habakin tho syapang ke ejahar kepadang syen persya ya DJP ke Meghalaya uba hek ulaong balada dan manu-manu ki bale aka ke basneu dan kamban pinshitom kat kum kaan.
Anybody doing anything against the public, against the government has to be moved. A law and order situation we have to fully control. You know, if we want to grow, if we want the economy to grow, if we want the employment to grow, the law and order has to be upheld to at least that, you know, we have to depend on the tourists. Now we see a lot of tourists coming to Meghalaya state. If anything incident happen, then the bad name will go. The wrong, thoughts of people, minds of people will go. So that will be, hamper the economy and the flourishness of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sain